Hello, Pilates and yoga lover community. I'm inviting each one of you for my upcoming new series, Core Back Immersion membership class. If you are a beginner and you need it that's gentle, beginner-friendly Pilates, yoga, physical therapy fused together, I'm so excited for you to try my free 3-part video series where you will receive video 1. You're going to learn proper breathwork, how to keep your spine in neutral position, improve your overall posture, especially for absolute beginners, because I have some of my students and online followers who have difficulty with some of my videos, so I step it back further to really incorporate for those very absolute beginners. So mark on your calendar, place your name down below on the description, click the link, your email address and your name, so you will receive my reminder via your inbox on your email on how to start activating your deep core, your pelvic floor, and your diaphragm, the lumbopelvic hip complex. I'm so excited for you to try my free series, so come and join my upcoming program Core Back Immersion membership class. I'll see you inside the class. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!